Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to our new video. I will tell you we are playing part two. This is our whole year. We are playing. What's the name? I forgot. Extreme car driving. The part two. Drive now. It is not lag. 21 hours? What is this? What the fuck is this? I don't know what I have to do. I know how to drive. I love this car driving. It is too realistic, but I can't drive. These sounds make me angry. Let's take a new ride. I will make a good ride. I like gems. I don't want to go. What the fuck is this? Let's try a new good now. It makes a so good life. Let's go to airport. This signboard make me good too, but it is why it is sleeping. Oh shit! I don't want to go. This too sleepy car. Oh my gosh! I can't drive. I am taking her out seriously. I don't know. Let's take her out seriously. Oh my goodness. Really a stuck car. Let's go to off-road. I don't think it will drive. Let's drift no mind. I don't want to go soon. Oh, I think. It will take zone, yeah? Let's take. I know. Who made this game? I want to make it. Oh my god. I like these roads. What I have brake? My car. It can't. It is a good car. But the Ferrari cannot drive in. Oh my. Wow. 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 But wait. This camera is looking good. Hey, what the fuck are you? We are driving car. You don't know who are we? Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Huge. Let's go. New car. I can drive in. I think I can drive in this area. Yes. Oh my gosh, so many cars. I love these cars. When I was playing, I love this car. Oh, nothing. I love this car because it's like my dad's car. Let's go to garage. I know which are my cars. This is one of my cars. This car is I have seen. Let's see another car that I have not seen. Let's see a new car. Wow! I don't see any car. I don't drive this car. I think I will take every car in this. This is the last car. Which type of this car it is? It is a new car, yeah? I'm right. It is a new car. Yeah. I don't want, but it takes so many money. We can take. I can take. I can't take this. Let's go to the end. Oh my gosh, Ferrari! Another Ferrari. I like Pagani. But now let's drive this one. Oh my god. This is not a luxury car. What are you interioring about it? Later. I don't drive it. I want to drive it on off roads because it is an off road car, not a city car. How many times did you want to take? So many times. I don't want to drive in this area. Why can't we move? Can't move from where is this car is so fast, yeah? Yeah. I know airport. Oh my gosh. I'm seeing and want to push. Let's go. Don't do this with me. I know. Let's go to the area. I don't love this thing ever and ever. These areas too. Let's go inside. Wait a minute. I see some BMW. No. Let's go down. I want to go on airport. This one I guess so good. But these cars are so sleepy. Why these are so sleepy? Can you guys tell me? When this is broke, this is so satisfying. Yeah, this is so satisfying. I know. But let's entry of the big airport. I tried to park the cars, but I can't drive. But I can't park. But let's go. Why I take a good entry? I like these roads like this. This game makes so silly because it takes so many silly. Let's go outside of there and the airport. Oh my gosh, no! Why? I know what I have to do now. Go down, Greta. Ooh, I make car sleepy. This road is my one of favorite. This one road is my one of favorite because we can move our cars to here. Why with me? Why it makes you sleepy? Why it is making so silly to me? Go outside. It's my area. Wow, what a drift! My brother made a drift. Wow, I make a good drift. Let's go again. This game makes me so satisfied and so fresh. Why I delete this? I'm telling to me again. It is too. But why these game owners make too sleepy cars? Don't make sleepy cars. I want to go Extreme City. Where is the Extreme City? I like to do on the. Why my car is not stucking? This is looking like so good drive, I think. Wow. So funny, so satisfying. When we reach to this city, yeah, wake. What a song is this? Who made this song? Just tell me. I will make him happy. This road makes me so happy because in this road I have credit cards. I love this game, but I don't play. And after so many months, wow! What I found Extreme City. Let's go to Extreme City. So, did you satisfied to see my video? If you have good, so please like and subscribe because I have made it in English. So please like and subscribe. Why it is checking my ticket? Let's broke our good brook and why with me? No. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, yo.